Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video, and we are speaking about the latest episode of Sibongile and the Dlaminis. Now guys, we know yesterday's episode ended off, or the previous episode ended off with a bomb, you guys, when Uwenzo told Usibongile that he kissed another woman. That time Usibongile ukipe inyao, you guys, she's prepared a dinner for two and Uwenzo just tortured her like that. So this episode starts off with the scene. Usibongile guys is in disbelief. She's like, abulile ngempela kwenza. Ukwenza's like, yebo ngimabulile kodwa ngisheshe ngazikhuza. Ikuthi Sibongile, like, things between us haven't been good lately. Usibongile's like, izinto zithanda uba nzima. Sukela nini kwenza? Like, when have things not been okay? I'm just like, Sibongile, my babe, I'm gonna need you to stop being in denial because really things haven't been good for you guys. Or maybe she's been focusing on herself and she hasn't realized which Ukwenza has been going through the most, especially with the finalization of his divorce, you guys. So Ukwenza goes on to say, Sibongile, we student and mina ngiyi-divorcee. So babili we on different places empilweni zethu njengamanje. Engizama ukusho Sibongile, ngifika ney'nkinga zami mina. Sibongile, nami ngiyadinga umuntu ozongiseka as I navigate this hardship empilweni yami njengamanje. Nawe-ke, on the other hand, I don't want you to feel burdened ney'nkinga zami because Sibongile, if I burden you with my problems, uzokhohlwa izinto zakho ezibalulekile that you need to do in your life. Usibongile like yima kwenzo. Shuthi into zami uyikhuluma njengamanje is that you kissed another woman because yena-ke uyakwazi ukweseka mina angikwazi ukweseka kwenzo. Ukwenza's like, cha Sibongile, I'm not saying that. Usibongile's like, pho uthini kwenza? Ukwenza just keeps quiet. Usibongile gets up, you guys, and she leaves him there. Yo guys, anyway, next scene ke we see uSamke Kwambalenhle. At the end of the day, kusebusuku, she's taking stock take laphayana, and then uSipho walks in. So Sipho's like, how auntie uManqoba akufanele ukuthi unaye. Then uSamke's like, uhambo uManqoba ngimshiye khona elele. uSipho's like, oh okay, ubaba yena awumbonanga, angimtholanga endlini. uSamke's like, indaba, why ubuza kangaka? Uphethe indaba ezimpi mhlambe? Ngoba ngikhathele nje ukuza indaba ezimbi. uSipho's like, hayi kahle auntie, khululeka nje, yikuthi bengidinga i-advice yakhe, bengidinga i-advice kababa on something. Futhi-ke uyazi mina auntie, hlezi ngiphethe indaba ezimnandi nje. uSamke's like, oh okay, ngikhona mina, what advice do you need? Nami ngifuna ukuza indaba ezimnandi phela. uSipho says, auntie, iyabona njengamanje ngiqede isikolo futhi ngithole umsebenzi, ngicabanga ukuthi it's time sokuthi ngenze okufanele ngokwesintu. uSamke's like, angitholi kahle Sipho. uSipho then says, kahle auntie, ngifuna ukuthatha uVelephi ngimenze umakoti wami. Hey, I'm just like, this sounds like a joke. I wonder if uVelephi is going to take uSipho seriously, because I feel like uVelephi uses uSipho. When it's convenient for her, she wants to be with uSipho. When it's not convenient for her, she just shoves him to some corner or something. uSamke just azithulele, she just clears her throat and she's like, ahem. Then uSipho's like, yini Andy, awuboni kungumqondo omuhle lowo? uSamke's like, no, angisho lutho, yikuthi Sipho, umshado yinto enkulu. uSipho's like, yebo uqinisile auntie, ngiyazi kodwa sengizimisele manje. uSamke's like, yo okay. uSipho then says, oh konje auntie, khona iringi engiyibonile ekamereni yakho, angazi ukuthi usayisebenzisa yini kodwa bengisaqala ukuthi ungiphe yona ngiyisebenzise. I'm just like, so Sipho, you want to propose to uVelephi, secondly you want to take some old ring kaSamke and propose kahle bo, go buy her a ring. uSamke's like, hayi bo kanti Sipho userious ngempela ngalento? Usipho then says, "Aibo auntie, buka. If I don't do the right thing, amadlozi azongijezisa. Yebo auntie, nginesiqiniseko salento engiyikhulumayo." And then the scene ends like that. Then kwaDlamini mentioned they are having breakfast at Unjengayo, uPhetheni, uWenzeni benoThemba, Wenzeni and Themba are wearing their school uniform. Ushukuthi it's a school day. They're about to leave and go to school. And then Abo Mavis are busy in the kitchen with breakfast stuff. So Peten is like, yazi njalo Themba, bengithi ngifuna ukukhuluma nawe. Awusho kahle kahle mfanami, wenzekeleni esikolweni ngalela langa? Ngiyakwazi phela wena ukuthi ngumfana oziphethe kahle. Uwenzeni sitting there rolling her eyes. But you can see uThemba, he just stops eating engathi ubhorekile nyana because he's tired of explaining one and the same thing and no one actually wants to believe him. Unjengaye looks at uThemba because uThemba's quiet. He's like, "Hayibo, pendula phela, uma wakho ukhuluma nawe." Then uThemba's like, "Baba yikuthi angisazi ukuthi ngithini njengamanje." uPhetheni is like, "Bengicela ukuthi ungivulele isifuba sakho mfanami, ungitshele ukuthi kwenzekeleni. This is a safe space." As she's speaking like that, Uneli comes dragging Unokuzano Umkhize. She comes, she stands there, and then uPhetheni and Unjengaye look at Uneli like to say, what do you want to say? Umele lana. Uneli's like, "Madam, nawe baba, ngiyaxolisa ukuniphazamisa. Kunento esiqala ukuyikhuluma sinomkhize." And then everyone just looks at them. Oh, and then just takes her juice and drinks because she can see ukuthi she knows what's about to go on. Remember yesterday, and then threatened Uneli ukuthi if you go and tell ubaba ukuthi mina I'm the one who spiked uLokhuzana uThemba's drink, then ngizoceba ukuthi wena uthandana nomkhize. So I guess Uneli decided, you know what? Let me angivedana ngiyoziceba so that I can save uThemba or something like that. So anyway, Uneli then says, "Madam, nawe baba." That time she's shaking, guys. Sinomkhize, siyathandana. Uwenzeni just laughs. And then uPhetheni is like, "Hayibo wena." And then Uwenzeni is like, "Sorry ma, bengithi nani ni surprise ngayo yonke lento." uPhetheni then looks at Uneli. She's like, "How long has this been going on for?" Uneli says ukuthi akusisho isikhathi eside ma'am, it's been a few months. That time she's starting to cry. I'm just like, Uneli, kodwa ukhalelani Neli? She's starting to cry there because she thinks ukuthi, remember when Zeni said ukuthi wena uzolahlekelwa umsebenzi, so she's thinking ukuthi probably uPhetheni is going to fire her. Umkhize then says, "Yaba baphathi bami, akusona isikhathi eside futhi sizamile to make sure our relationship doesn't affect our work." Mavis is like, "Mina noThuli, we can attest to that ukuthi bazamile to make sure ukuthi their relationship doesn't affect their work and to be respectful, like to be respectful by all means." uPhetheni is like, "Oh, okay, asikaze sasola lutho thina. Kuyacaca ukuthi lento yenu like niyenze ngenhlonipho." Uneli is like, "How madam, shuthi awungixoshi?" uPhetheni is like, "No, angizukuxosha, ngizothi ngikuxoshelani. Angisho kodwa ukuthi ngiyavumelana nabantu abathandana emsebenzini. Kodwa-ke if niyathandana, ayikho into engizoyenza mina as long as sizohloniphana." Then Uneli is like, "Hawe ma, ngiyabonga madam, uwenzeni," and Uneli all looking at each other, and then the scene ends. I thought ukuthi Uneli should have just came out nesigaqa there and then. But anyway, I guess Uneli is giving it time, and then the scene ends like that. Next scene, we see uPhetheni and Unjengaye, they are out and about at a restaurant. So uPhetheni is like, ubukeke eyintombazane right kodwa yena ngithi. And then I caught on ukuthi bakhuluma ngobani, bakhuluma ngo, what's that girl's name? Uthabile. And then Unjengaye is like, "Yeah, ubukeke right yena from what I've seen." uPhetheni is like, "Ngibona ingathi angafanelana noKwenzo." Unjengaye looks at uPhetheni. He's like, "Why usho njalo?" uPhetheni is like, "Well, from the little that I've seen, ngibona ingathi uKwenzo uyamthanda. Bengithi mhlambe angim-invite for dinner. I'm sure uKwenzo will appreciate that." Unjengaye is like, "And what if uKwenzo does not appreciate that?" uPhetheni is like, no, uzaku-appreciate. Njengaye looks at uPhetheni like to say ukuthi uqalile ne. And then uPhetheni is like, no, uzaku-appreciate. Unjengaye is like, hayibo njalo uPhetheni. WePhetheni wami, if what you are thinking is true, kuzoba i-conflict of interest. Uyi-auditor yethu lo muntu. uPhetheni is like, yeah, kodwa akekho permanent ofisini. She's going to just audit iy'ncwadi zethu, uzofika enze umsebenzi wakhe ahambe. Then unjengaye is like, kuzoba ngathi thina-ke, like we want her there, or just because uthandana nokwenzo, then she must be doing us favors. uPhetheni is like, no, it's not going to be like that. Unjengaye is like, ngempela, ngiyakuchazela sithandwa sami, ungayiqali lento. Please. uPhetheni is like, hayibo ngizoyihandilisha lento. Unjengaye is like, ay, ngeke. And then the scene ends like that. Next scene, uSibongile, she's at rest. You guys, she's on her bed. Uyambona ukuthi she cannot believe shame, and I feel sorry for her. She's on the phone. So she's like, sawubona sis Nomfundo, ngiyaxolisa for burdening you ney'nkinga zami, kodwa akekho umuntu engingakhuluma naye. There's no one that I could call. Nomfundo is like, hayi ungakhathazeki, ngikhona ngilalele, ungakhuluma. uSibongile then says, sis Nomfundo, ngicabanga ukuthi ukwenza abasangithandi. Usenqena uyanqena nje ukusho nje. And then Nomfundo is like, nonsense, iyakuthanda leya ngane yomuntu. uSibongile is like, kodwa sis Nomfundo, ebengeke aqabule omunye umuntu wesifazane if you really did love me. Nomfundo is like, oh, wenzeke nini lokho? uSibongile is like, he tried to explain, but I feel like he was just making excuses. Nomfundo is like, Sibongile, ngicela ukuthi ungakwadi yezwa. Ama-relationships usually have inkinga. Inkinga yinto ekhona vele kwama-relationships. Nayo lena-ke yi-test for i-relationship yeni. Izodlula lento, yezwa? uSibongile vele azithulele, and then Nomfundo is like, Sibongile, lalela. Yazi mina noMxolisi saxabana ngacabanga ukuthi like we would never get past it, kodwa kwadlula. Ngangizitshela ukuthi ngeke kusalunga lutho, kodwa manje we are stronger than ever. Enye into, I never thought that there was a man who would love me, kodwa-ke nangu uMxolisi uyangithanda, and ungithanda like ngisho nje indlela angibuka ngakhona. Nawe-ke nokwenza yinto efanayo. Indlela abuka ngayo ukwenzo kuyakhombisa ukuthi uyakuthanda ngempilo yakhe yonke. uSibongile is like, yazi nami sis Nomfundo bengicabanga njalo, kodwa manje anginaso isiqiniseko salokho. Asazi nje. And then Nomfundo is like, weSibongile lalela, ukwenzo ungumuntu naye. Wenze iphutha, impilo yakhe yonke i-revolve around wena, and sekaphuvile lokho time and time again. And then that scene just ends, but you can see uSibongile is not convinced by what usis Nomfundo is saying, you guys. Wambambo-ke, uSipho is there, uVelaphi is there, uKhuzwayo is there, ubaba kaSipho uNtombela is there, uSamke is there. It's a full house. Kuyahlekwa. They're busy making jokes of uSipho. So as they're making jokes of uSipho's like, hayi mina niyangihleba ukuthi mina bengikhalela uma ngalesi sikhathi bengincane, anginibonise-ke ukuthi ngiyindoda. He goes down on one foot and is like, sithandwa sami Velaphi, bengicela ukuthi like make me the happiest man ungishade. Velaphi looks at him, she's like, hayibo kahle wena Sipho. Everyone just starts laughing, you guys. uSipho just gets up, and that time everyone thinks it's a joke. Well, uSamke knows it's not a joke. Everyone thinks it's a joke. And uSipho just gets up, uswabile there, you guys. I'm just like, I knew ukuthi uVelaphi. The way uVelaphi looked at him and she's like, hayibo kahle wena Sipho, like to say ukuthi you are not kwi-standard sam. Yo guys, while behlala kanjalo uVuma and uSangweni walk in the door. uVuma uphethe iplastic emnyama, and I'm like, why is he carrying plastic emnyama? Because once umuntu waphatha plastic emnyama from the hospital, guys, or ephethe plastic, like sometimes it's not a good sign, especially if uphethe izinto eziningi, like, you know. Anyway, uVelaphi is like, hawusenibuyile baba. uKhuzwayo is like, hawusibali. uDeliwe sekakhiphiwe yini. Uvuma just keeps quiet, you guys. Uvuma keeps quiet. He puts the plastic on the table, and then he says, "Ta." Ukhuzayo gets up from the couch. He looks at uSangweni and he notices ukuthi uSangweni is crying. Ukhuzayo is like, "Sangweni, Sangweni." He walks to Sangweni. Sangweni just walks away. Ukhuzayo is following uSangweni. He's like, "Sangweni, ukhuluma nami." UVelephi is like, "Sangweni." She gets up now. Everyone's getting a kushukuthi uDeliwe akasekho because uSangweni is crying. Nangu noVuma, he's not saying anything. Ukhuzayo is like smiling ngimdala. Cala ukhulume nami. He starts crying there, you guys. Uvelephi ngalana. She's like, "Baba, kwenzekeleni? Kwenzekeleni?" She starts crying. Uvuma's just like, "Hey." That's all he could say. Uvelephi is like, "Hayi baba, ungangitsheli ukuthi uma akasekho." She's crying there. Ukhuzayo is like, "Smile, ukhuluma nami, ngitshele." Yo guys, everyone was just crying there. Uvuma hugs Uvelephi. Yo, it was so sad, you guys. Anyway, next scene, oh guys, kusho ukuthi lesasikhova, maybe that was the sign ukuthi kuzoshona umuntu, and that was unukuzana uDeliwe. Angazi-ke if it was between uDeliwe and uManqoba, then uDeliwe was the one who went, angazi. But anyway, akasekho uDeliwe, you guys, and I really thought they're gonna bring her back, you guys, but anyway, ngelishwa they not. Last scene, guys, we see uSibongile and uKwenzo. They are out and about at a restaurant. uSibongile is like, kahle kahle, Kwenzo bengicabanga about lento besikhuluma ngayo izolo. Kwenzo's like, "Oh, okay." uSibongile is like, ngizizwa ngathi yimina okubambazelayo empilweni. uKwenzo then says, "Okay." uSibongile is like, "Uyindoda Kwenzo. Futhi like uneyidingo. Ngelishwa ke mina ongeshwa mina, I can't meet your needs at the moment." Ukwenza that cha Sibongile, angithi ngichazele nje ukuthi anginankinga, ngizokulinda mina. uSibongile is like, "Cha Kwenzo, ngaba like anginalo iqiniso to let you do something like that." Ukwenza is like, "Hayi bo, uthini kumina Sibongile?" uSibongile is like, ngicabanga ukuthi sobabili siyayidinga siyasidinga isikhathi to just take a break from this relationship just for isikhashana. And then Wenzo looks at her because uSibongile is breaking up with him, even if it's for a short while. Wenzo looks at her but is in disbelief, you guys, because Wenzo did not kiss that girl in hopes yokuthi he's going to date both of these ladies at the same time. He does love uSibongile, but he's in disbelief. uSibongile just gets up, you guys, and she leaves uKwenzo like that. Yeah, shame. One thing about Sibongile and the Dlamini is they will drag his storyline. Kunim is 2 seasons. We are in the 2nd season and we're still waiting for this love between uKwenzo and Sibongile. Hi guys, at this point, if this was real life, I would just say ayikho lento. Stop forcing, you guys. Go your separate ways because bo. Anyway, let's park it right there, guys, because that's where the episode ends. You tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge. Guys, please do make sure you watch the ads. That is just your way of showing support towards the channel. And yeah, I'll see you guys on the next one.